हामी भ्यू पोइन्टदेखि झर्दैछौँ। How was the view up there? Did you enjoy the view?
Unimaginable.
यो त लास्टै अप्ठ्यारो बाटो, सिधै छ है बाटो त। ओहो, जान सकिन्छ कि नै? सकिन्छ। अर्को बाटो नगर, यो सजिलो बाटो आछ। मैले अलि डराउने मान्छेहरू रहेछन्। एकैछिनमा मौसम चेन्ज भयो। परिरहेको छ है मजाले स्नो भयो। हिउँ पर्दा कस्तो फिल भयो त गाइज? हो, जाडो फिल भएको छैन? मलाई नि भएको छैन।
We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. Mardi, a hidden gem when it comes to trekking in Annapurna region. Starting from Kade and finishing in Sitting, going through ups and downs the hills, singing along the way, taking food break, enjoying the view and so many more. Each day brought new sights and new adventures. The view was amazing from the top, but what we really enjoyed was the journey. The difficult trails from forest camp to incredible view from Badaldara. The negative temperature at high camp to the magnificent Mardi Himal. It was a wild experience. While returning back from high camp, we got to encounter snowfall. I never knew, with every falling flake of snow rouses the inner child within me to dream and play once more.
तपाईं के यसरी लाइभ यसरी चाहिँ हिउँ परिरहेको बेलामा यसरी अहिलेसम्म हिँड्नु भएको थियो? कहिलेकाहीँ हिउँ खेल्न गए पनि परिसकेको हिउँमा खेल्न जानुहुन्थ्यो है? त्यो पनि जानुभएको थिएन? जाडो हुँदो रहेछ त्यो हिउँ पर्दा?
होइन, हुन्छ।
Anything is possible when you have the right people. The friendship and the support for each other made the journey possible. The trip gave us priceless memories and the destination with unbreakable motivation. The trek was truly a difficult one, but the mesmerizing beauty on every single path made it all worth.
हाय
सर, कस्तो लाग्छ त भ्यू?
एकदम रमाइलो, एकदम त्यहाँभन्दा रमाइलो के हुन्छ?
हुँदैन होला।
अल फुल प्याकेज,
स्नो पनि पर्यो आउँदाखेरि।
अल एभ्रिथिङ इज डिटरमाइन्ड, लाइक त्यस्तो तरिकाले हैन? हल्का
स्नोमा बसेर डुप्लिकेट चिया खाँदा
होइन, डुप्लिकेट चाहिँ होइन, यस्तो गर्ने खाने हो।
त्यही खाने हो। ल खाऊ न एकचोटि। ओ
We stayed at Low Camp coming back. It felt like home there because it was the second stay and we were already familiar with the place and the people there. We had so much fun at Low Camp, making a snowman to aggressive snow fight. We will miss every single moment from that place.
कतिजना हो यो यहाँ बस्ने हजुर? दुई कपल दुई कपल भनेपछि 4 जना। कहाँ यो हामी? मिडल वे टी सप टेक रेस्ट विथ बेस्ट टी टेस्ट के छ विचार
ठिक छ अब के हो तिम्रो नाम के अरे युनिसा हो युनिसा के हो युनिसा गौतम मेरो नाम के अरे
पहिला उसको नाम भन
गालामा मा गर्न मात्रै बल्ल पाइन्छ ल ल वेलकम यु कम माई होम ओके
तिम्रो नाम के हो त
आयुष हो
आयुष
अंकल कहाँ जाने हो मेलाहरू गर्दा
होइन त्यहाँ रन्जु जाने
दौडिँदै जान्छ यार यहाँ मान्छे हिँड्न सके छैन
Sitting was quite stiff for the trekkers. Not to mention, but the starting song on this video was from the local Siding Baji. It was a 2-hour jeep ride from Siding to Pokhara.
ल अब दिदीहरुसित राम्रोसँग जानु अब दिदीहरु जस्तै खानदानी हुनु पर्यो मोटाघाटो हुनु पर्यो है ल ल ल दुब्लो नहुने अनि दाइ जस्तै पंकी हुने अला दही दही खाना होला यार ल सौर्य कहाँबाट बन्द गर्ने गर त
कस्तो भयो त ट्रिप
लास्टै रमाइलो मैले सोचेको भन्दा धेरै रमाइलो
अब घर गएर झलझली याद आउने होला
जलजली पुरै एकदम
पुरै याद आउँछ नेत्र
सुन्दर अति सुन्दर
अति सुन्दर
अति सुन्दर
Hello guys, now we're heading off to Budwal.
बुटोल कि बेगनास
Vegas, sorry, Vegas.
दाइ
Our journey ended up with beautiful Pegnesny. The lake was adorable, but our minds were still unworthy, missing every moment. Missing the trails, the air above the clouds, people, crazy friends, and the mountains that fueled our soul. Every moment will live in our hearts forever. I think every time I'm on the mountain, I'm just so thankful to be there. People ask me, why did I travel that long just to see those mountains? I say, may your trails be crooked, winding, lonesome, dangerous, leading to the most amazing view. May your mountains rise into and above the clouds.